Hi, want to know how to clone apps on your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Advanced Features. Click on it, here scroll down and open the tab named Dual Messenger. Your phone has this function where you can clone the social media applications. So as you can see, currently the only available app is Facebook, so let's click on the slider to enable it and then click install and also confirm. Here we can also enable this feature which is named use separate contact list, so I'll also turn it on, and here I'll choose all of the contacts and click done. And as a next step, we can see this notification that second copy of Facebook has been installed. So let's check it out. As a first step, let's open the basic Facebook in which I have logged into my account. You can see this account which is named Ellie. And now if we will find the copy of Facebook which has this orange circle on it, here you will see the welcoming page which is suggesting us to log in. Here you can add your second account which can be your business one, and the main Facebook will be your personal one. And that's it. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.